What's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone. You're welcome to Lavinet Gist TV, the home of comedies, trending news, and viral stories. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, you're highly welcome. And may God bless you for stopping by. Please do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop valuable contents or comedies. And we're a returning subscriber, and may God bless you for always stopping by. So guys, I'm right back here with another viral, interesting video of Afrobeat singer Davido, a maestro of luxury and extravagance, who has once again redefined what it means to live large. Refusing to conform to the standard waiting period for international vehicle shipment, the music Mongol took matters into his own hands, orchestrating a high-speed, high-class transportation as latest automotive marvels. In an exclusive video making waves online, the ultra-expensive Cybertruck and Rolls Royce, shining in their pristine glory, were carefully secured and leveled inside a massive aircraft. More inside of the story before the video of the arrival of the latest cars from our latest or biggest celebrity, Davido. Afrobeats megastar David Adeleke, globally known as Davido, has once again demonstrated why he stands unrivaled in the world of luxury and flamboyance. This time, the superstar left jaw-dropping with his bold and speedy approach to transporting his latest automotive masterpieces, two stunning additions to his fleet of cars to Nigeria. Rather than settling for traditional methods like car carrier truss, rail systems, or the notoriously time-consuming sea freight, David showcased his unmatched sense of urgency and class by opting for an extraordinary alternative. A video shared by the celebrity blogger and his close associate, David Adeleke, revealed the astonishing sights of Davido's new Rolls-Royce Spectra and Tesla Cybertruck, both worth over 1.2 billion naira, being carefully loaded into a massive cargo aircraft. The vehicle, pristine and glittering, were meticulously secured in what could only be described as an operation fit for royalty. Sunday Ebner couldn't hide his amazement as he detailed the singer's audacious move, marveling at Davido's innovative decision. He noted how the Afrobeat star not only ensured a swift delivery but likely avoided the unnecessary complications and delay of conventional car shipping routine. Sunday Ebner, sharing clip, wrote, "Many people ship their cars that will take a month or more to get to Nigeria. Davido doesn't have patience for that. He's flying his cars. He wants the car to be in Nigeria in just one day. He wants to land in Nigeria and drive his car almost immediately. If only you know how flying car costs. Damn! Cybertruck, $165,000, equivalent to 280,500,000 naira. Rolls Royce Spectra, $544,000, equivalent to 924 million naira. Total, which is 1.204 1,204,500,000 naira. Flying and clearing not included. So guys, let's hop into the short video and see the car flying into Nigeria. It's so loving and so nice. Yeah, you guys, thank you for watching to the very end. I hope you've seen the two lovely cars. So nice, man. Bro, the money wey they spend long yo, nah, the money long. 1.2 B, no be me oh, B for this economy. Ha! The video show me the way now. Nah, where boys they carry money from? See money oh. Ha! Even for dash me the whole Rolls Royce now. I go get all this Rolls Royce only you. Nah. You guys enough of the talking. What's your thought on this? Please do drop it constructively on the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now.